Hello everybody, my name is Khalid Siddiqui, and in this video we're going to learn how to deregister PAR, also known as 3M G5 headset. This is the one I'm talking about, and I'm going to deregister it. You're probably going to ask, why do you want to deregister it? Well, I already made a video teaching you how to register it, but sometimes you have to deregister it in order for it to be registered to a different base station. They can only be registered to certain number of base stations, and after that they will lock out, and you have to deregister all of them in order to have a fresh registration with the new base station. When that happens, these LED lights, as you can see right now, it's green. It will be flashing red and green when it's full, and it cannot be registered to a new base station. That's why it's important to know how to deregister it. And here is how we deregister it. First, make sure you have a fully charged new battery. Power it on, turn it on. Let me go to a different camera so you can see better. So I'm gonna use this little microphone here so you can hear the prompts that the headset will say. So first, what you need to do is you need to press and hold the volume max button until you have a blue light here. Okay, see right now it's only green. You want to press and hold. Now you have a blue. See that blue? See, it turned off because it only lasts for a short time. So press and hold, hurry up, then double tap. Now
Power off. Goodbye.
it says power off goodbye. When it said power off goodbye,
Not registered.
that means it's unregistered. So let me do that again so you could see. See, I'm gonna turn it back on. Watch it say not registered. Watch it.
Not registered.
Yeah, see, it says not registered, so now it's trying to register again. This is how you deregister a headset. I hope this video was educational and you learned a thing or two. Please make sure to like and subscribe.